Hi, today I will show you how you can choose and install some color scheme on your Emacs editor. For the first, we need to go to Google and type Emacs color themes. Now we have to open a first link called emacsthemes.com. And then you can choose from very much variants of color schemes. We have top themes here. You can search from top themes, and if you want to look to all color schemes, you need to click on all themes. And then you can just go forward and choose one theme you prefer. For example, we want to install this one, AVK dark blue yellow. Now we need to go to Emacs, and for the first press Alt plus X, and then type command list packages and press enter. Now go to the start of a file with the combination Alt plus Shift plus comma symbol, and then press Ctrl S for searching. And now we have to type a name of our color scheme, AVK dark blue yellow, AVK dark. Okay, I think we have it here. Just press enter on AVK, and then we have to install AVK Emacs themes. I think there is a lot of themes here. No, this is only one theme, but I have here several themes. I think this is something another, or what? Okay, I get it. I think this is a bundle of themes, and if we install it, we install several themes. Well, I want to install one theme. Then go forward and continue searching and choose something that only one exists. Brutalist dark theme. Two themes existed. Breen theme. Oh, Boron theme. Okay, this is pretty toxic theme. I not prefer it, but maybe someone. Oh no, this is so horrible, guys. How it can be? Cherry blossom theme. Oh, it's pretty good. Yeah. Okay. Well, guys, let's try to find this theme. Cherry blossom theme. Press Ctrl S and type cherry. Yeah, we have it. When we saw cherry blossom theme, just press enter, and press enter once again to choose this theme to install. When another window appeared, just press combination Ctrl X and O and set carriage on install button and press enter. Install package, yes, of course, press Y on this question. Now we installed this theme, press Ctrl X0 and close this window and press Ctrl X F, Ctrl XF, and then open init.यल file, configuration file of Emacs. Then we need to press combination Alt X and then type Lloyd theme command and press enter. And then we can search our theme, Cherry Blossom theme. Cherry Blossom. This called so. Then we need to type in our init.yl file command Lloyd theme space Cherry Blossom space t close bracket close this buffer and press Ctrl XS to save all that we wrote. Then close Emacs on combination Ctrl X C and then open it again. And now, like we see, we have a new color scheme installed on our Emacs. This is pretty good theme. I think this little bit contrast, but I like it. This is good theme. Okay, guys, I hope you can easily search your favorite color scheme and easily install it on Emacs. Good luck to you. Thank you for viewing.